Connect your Apple Health app to inform your progress. Through the Health app, iPhones automatically count certain activities, such as the number of steps taken each day. Connecting these records can make a significant contribution towards helping both you and your team understand your progress. Linking the activity records from your phone can be done in 4 quick steps. Open the settings on your device, scroll down to Privacy, tap on Health, select your recovery app and choose the records to link, such as steps. This will enable your app to show you the difference between the average number of steps taken each day before and after your procedure, and give you other insights and encouragements. Together with your clinical team, you will also be able to review graphs showing how your level of activity changes over time, alongside your pain scores and responses to the clinical surveys at each key checkpoint in your recovery.